What's going on, my Winjas? Welcome to day 3 of the 5-day workout challenge. Today is all about confidence. Winjas are confident AF, yo. We show up happy, joyful because we are crushing and winning at life. And this workout is going to help you build confidence from the inside out, confidence in yourself, your ability to move, your ability to crush any workout. So enjoy this workout, enjoy this circuit, and then please check out the box, do the worksheet, and keep on building that confidence as we crush day 3. And join me back here for day 4 tomorrow. So I'm super excited for today because we're gonna amp it up just a little bit, and I'm gonna take everything that we've learned so far, so moving with connection and mindfulness, being in our body, we're gonna add it with moving with gratitude, like, yeah, I feel good. And now today we're gonna throw in confidence. So this workout is going to be cardio focused, and at the end you are gonna be confident. You're gonna feel confident in your ability to get through this workout because you're gonna be like, damn, I am a badass. I did it. So here's how it's gonna work. You're gonna need no equipment. You're just gonna need a little bit of space. Something as big as a yoga mat will do you. And how it's gonna go down is we're gonna work out for 30 seconds of cardio with a 10-second rest. We're gonna do 5 different exercises, and we're gonna do it 4 times, the whole sequence. I'm gonna be here with you the entire time. This is for all fitness levels. So round 1 is going to be the built-in warm-up. So you can start this cold with a cold body, but if you want to, and I highly recommend it, if you do the joint by joint workout from day 1 and then do this workout, you're gonna be a supple leopard going in. But no problem, you can start this cold with me. So the 5 exercises we're gonna be doing is the good old jumping jacks, and then we're gonna head into the run in place. We're gonna do some air squats, and I'm gonna show you all types of different variations. From there, we're gonna go into some lateral movements with some side to side shuffle, and then we're gonna end with the good old burpees. Don't worry, every round I'm gonna show you different variations, different skill levels. I'm gonna test you guys that are more advanced, and I'm gonna give the beginners a lot of options to play with for low impact, for injuries in mind, all those things. Okay, enough talking, let's do this. So when we go, I want you to be fully in it with me, okay? Just like we learned, being present. Clear your mind. Get rid of all those things that's going on. I gotta pick up the kids. What am I gonna have for dinner? La 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 la. Get rid of it right here, right now. 12 minutes is all it's gonna take. And you're gonna leave with a new level of confidence in yourself, feeling capable, feeling dope sauce is what we call it. All right, the first beat is the 10-second rest. The next beat, we're gonna go into jumping jacks. Whoa, I'm sweating already. Okay, 2, 1, let's go, jumping jacks. So, just like day 1, we are connecting. So bring those rib cage, zip it up, bring that belly into the spine, and jumping jacks. So, level 1, you can just do this for me. If it's too difficult to put your hand over your head, put it to the side. So many variations. Do what works for you. Just don't stop moving, okay? And we got 2 seconds, 1 second, 10-second rest. What do you do during the rest? I like to keep moving and grooving. You just focus on catching your breath. We got run in place. So, run in place, swing your arms. This is the warm-up round. So don't go too crazy yet, trust me. By round 4, you're gonna be like, damn, take me back to the warm-up round. So all I'm expecting from you right now is to bring your attention to the rib cage, pump it up, swing those arms, get those knees moving up and down, just like you're running. Okay, 10-second break. So what's gonna happen is the 30-second of work is gonna go really fast, but so that's why I want you to stay in it with me and push yourself. Okay, squats. Level 1, Make sure you're squeezing that butt. Bring your attention to this booty. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squat down, squat up. So, different variations. This is level 1. Level 2, you can add a little fancy feet. Get your heart rate up a little bit more. Level 3, if you feel like it, you can drop the hand. Boom. 4th exercise, we are at the side to side shuffle. So I love teaching you how to move in all directions, not just in one spot. So we're just gonna do quick feet and shuffle. Like you're playing defense. Like, what's up? Come at me, bro. What? You're blocking this. D. You guys ever play sports? I always pretend I'm like some badass basketball player. What? Come at me, bro. And you're just blocking. Woo! Okay, we're just moving side to side. If you want, you can touch down, get a little bit more dynamic. All right, last exercise. Round 1 is almost done. We are going into burpees. Oh God, how is this only 1 round? All right, level 1 burpees. Step back, step in, stand up. Stand up with connection, so shoulder blades, rib cage, pelvis. Step down, step up. Level 2, jump down, step, jump back. Hands down, step, jump back. Or stick to the level 1. Okay, 1 round done. We are 25% done. Round 2. So by now, you're feeling pretty toasty. Jumping jacks, let's go. Okay, this is a cardio workout, guys. So yes, you should be all upper lip sweating, hair messy, wedgie going. You should be breathing. Your heart rate should be up, and that is the point. So let's go. Only have 10 seconds left. All right, if you're ready, I want you to hit it a little bit faster for me. But don't lose that connection with your ribs. Hit it. Whoa, break time. And breathe. We're going into run in place. All right, running. If you're ready, the next level up is making the knees go up a little bit higher. Only if you're ready. If you're happy doing this, like someone's chasing you, like, what? Go ahead and do this. Swing those arms, pump those legs, or jack it up, throw in those knees. And break. We're back into the squats. 10 seconds goes on fast. And 3 and 2 and squat. Boom. Squeeze. I want you to punch that butt. Make sure you're breaking that fist because your butt should be rock hard. Like you've got a bad case of diarrhea and you're like, oh! That's how hard I want you to squeeze it. You're like, making it tight. That's how we connect. That's how we activate muscles. That's how we get full results out of any workout that we do. That's how we burn massive amounts of fat and build tons of muscle because we're like in it to win it. Okay, back to the side to side. Oh, shuffle. Damn, man, I can't breathe. Here we go. Block it. Block it. Even if you have only a little bit of space, you just shuffle back and forth with me. If you feel comfortable, stay low and block. You're the D. You're playing D, ain't nobody getting through. Make it a block. I'll show you what it looks like on the side. So, I'm staying low, shuffling back and forth. My legs are burning, my heart's pumping, or just side to side. Whatever works for you. Last exercise of round 2. Back to the burpees. Yoga needs to stop talking and just focus on working out. Here we go. Step up. Jump up, stand up. Even when you're standing up, set your butt. Set that pelvis. Okay, if you're feeling strong, add a push-up. You certainly don't have to. I want to give you options. It's what I do. I love giving you options to work with. I love helping you feel confident, helping you play and learn all types of different ways to level up. Okay, round 3. You guys, this is seriously only 3 minutes per round. Oh snap, here we go. Round 3. We are in the final stretch. So, right now, you are in it. We are in the thick of it now. Stay with me. You're gonna feel so proud. You are gonna feel so confident after this workout. So, right now, you're doing it. Practice some self-talk. I love saying, yeah, girl, you've got this. You looking good. Do it. Talk to yourself. Say positive, awesome things. It's the way to do it. I talk to myself all the time. Like, yeah, you. Here we go. Run in place. All right. If you need to slow it down, take a bit longer to catch your breath, please do that. But if you are ready, stay with me. And even if you don't stop completely, I'll sometimes just make it a little bit more easy during the 30 seconds. And then as I feel better, I'm like, yes, pump it up, pump it up. And 10 seconds. All right. It's happening. The glow is going down. Air squat, let's go. So, I'm gonna add a little hand drop this time. Open the legs, drop the hand. Open the legs, drop the hand. So if you notice, I'm always moving with intention. This is the Winja. This is the Ninja Winja movement. We move with intention, with precision, with full connection. And gratitude, like, yeah, look at these knees go. Look at these knees, this glute, this ab. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Last exercise of the 3rd round, burpees, let's go. Okay, if you feel up for it, add a little jump at the top. There's so many millions of ways to make things up, or just go back and forth. Back, forth, maybe a little jump, maybe a back and forth with a little jump, maybe a back and forth, push up, and a jump. Woo! Okay, last round. What I like to say is last set, best set. I'm gonna dig deep here. I'm gonna give it my all for the last 3 minutes. Let's go. There's only 3 minutes left. Touch those fingertips together. If you're still here with me, if you're still doing this, that's all good. I'm so proud of you. Just keep moving. Everyone else, this is the leveled up version. Star jumps. It's just like a jumping jack, but we're making it a whole lot harder. I can only do a few seconds of those. And talk at the same time. Okay. Back to the run in place. Are you feeling more confident? I'm feeling more confident. Let's go. Bring up those knees. Bring those abs into the spine. That's how you're gonna get those legs up. Swing those arms. Pump it, pump it. You know when you watch James Bond and he's like running down about to detonate a bomb? That's you right now. Go, go. And he's pumping his arms and he's like, it's gonna save the day. That's what we're gonna do. And break. I don't even know if you can understand what I'm saying, but we're almost there. 3 more exercises. Squats, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna have to slow down a bit. So, I'm just gonna start. Good old squats, connected to the glutes, connected to the abs, eyes forward. Catch my breath a bit. And then, when I feel better, check this out. Squat jumps. You don't hear me. That's the biggest thing. You wanna land softly. You wanna absorb the impact with your leg muscles. Oh, damn. 2 more left. Okay. Side to side shuffle. Don't even have time to talk. Here we go. Block it. I'm gonna stay low this time. So. I'm gonna stay low, and I'm gonna do a touch. Just get outside. Stay low. And those quads, feeling it. Get the glutes. Your leg muscles are huge muscle groups. So whenever you train them, you're ramping up. Calorie burn, fat burn. You're getting it nice and toned. Your heart's rhythm is okay. Here we go. Last exercise. I hope. Last burpees. Last 30 seconds. We got this. Let's go. I think it's the last one. I'm all messed up now. Here we go. Focus. All you. All in. Nothing else matters. Oh. That's it. That's it. You're done. We're done. Well, let's take a moment to think, to be like, let's take a moment to congratulate ourselves. You certainly don't need to be breathing like me, but if you really pushed it and you were in it to win it, and you're breathing like this, it feels amazing once we start catching our breath a bit. Okay, so what do? Keep moving. The last thing I want you to do is sit down. And this is the magic part. Right now, your endorphins are flowing. All those amazing neurotransmitters, dopamine, serotonin, they're like busting out of your brain and into the rest of your body, flowing through all the vital organs, flowing to your heart. Your heart's like, boom, getting that surge of blood. Your chest, your lungs are getting that surge of oxygen. Breathe it in. Bask in it. Feel the gratitude. Like, oh my God, it feels amazing. And then believe that you can do it because you did it. I want you to feel confident in life, in health and fitness, in everything that you do. You exude strength and confidence for everyone to see. And it's a skill that can be practiced. Trust me. I used to be super shy, really awkward. Look at me, now I'm talking to some weird camera. I'm doing group classes. I'm all up in the place because I've just practiced the skill of confidence, just like any other skill. Drawing, painting, math, algebra, it can be learned. And it starts with doing things that you think you can't do, but then you do it, and then you keep doing it again and again, and you keep gaining that confidence in yourself and feeling more and more capable. Keep challenging yourself. Bust out those goals, crush them, drop, kick them, all that good stuff. Okay, yo, comments, let me know how you did with this workout. Ask me any questions in the group. Send me messages, let's chat. I hope you were with me. Oh, just look at me, I'm dripping balls, and I feel amazing. And then, go and do the lesson, which is all gonna be about building confidence, and I call it the Crazy Confidence Creator, because yes, you can create your own confidence. Do the lesson, follow into the join the discussion, let me know how you do, and I'll see you tomorrow. So tomorrow we're combining everything again, as usual, and we're gonna inspire ourselves. So tomorrow's theme is inspire, and we're gonna be doing a lot more upper body focus. I can't wait. I'll see you then. Get this girl a towel.